Welcome to our busy factory environment, where today we're going to be looking at some of our solutions for higher load applications. And of course, automation has really evolved as technology has advanced. We're not only seeing the handling of individual components, it can be the whole process. So parts are built into sub-assemblies, and in turn these sub-assemblies become a complete finished product, such as an entire car. Of course, moving objects as heavy as this quickly, accurately and reliably brings its own set of challenges. And it's not just automotive applications where we have seen the need for some heavy lifting. Many industries, of course, face the same challenges for moving big, heavy objects around. For instance, we've supplied systems for palletizing, providing fast, efficient, safe handling and distribution. Also aerospace, with one example where we have been involved with massive jigs for installing landing gear into aircraft. And then you have your typical heavy industries, marine, oil and gas, each with often significant loads and some fairly hostile environments. So Hepco is built on the success of its popular V-guide principle to offer many choices when it comes to applications at the heavy end of the scale. And we've talked many times before about the intrinsic benefits that this technology brings. Low friction, self-cleaning, easy installation, no catastrophic failure, low maintenance, and so on. The combination of high capacity, high precision, and stainless steel options also makes it a suitable solution for specialist applications, such as the remote handling of hazardous substances. However, sometimes you need compliance, particularly on large multi-axis installation, and Hepco's clever designs have all of these situations covered. There are numerous options that we can offer that fall into the heavy-duty category. So what are these solutions, and which could you be using in your application? To kick things off, we have a couple of modular actuator options. The HDLS is a heavy-duty belt-driven linear actuator based around a heavy-duty beam and guides. The unit offers the dynamic performance of a belt drive with a rated load capacity of up to 28 kilonewtons. Comes in 3 design configurations and is suitable for either high-speed horizontal or vertical lift type applications. As an alternative, we have a ball screw driven actuator, the HDCS. This system is particularly suited to heavy applications with low speed, high accuracy, repeatability, or where a high driving force is required. Although length and speed is limited, it does make a particularly good Z-axis thanks to the high efficiency ball screw drive. Our HDS2 range is at the core of many of our other heavy-duty technologies. The component-based solution gives you the ultimate freedom for your design. Double-edged slides make for simple installation and a minimal carriage footprint, whereas single-edged slides offer greater flexibility in load capacity and drive elements. For instance, spreading the rails further apart will greatly enhance the side MS load capacity. Or you may wish to install your belt or chain drive between the slides, or maybe simply take advantage of the integral rack option, which completely removes the fuss of a separate drive and the alignment challenges that can bring. Integral racks also offer a good balance between speed and driving force, and crucially are not constrained by length when compared to, say, belt, chain or screw drives. Slides can be mounted onto a range of standard aluminium construction beams that are designed to be self-supporting, or alternatively backplate options are available for you to install on your own structure. Flat track slides and rollers provide a useful axial compliance, which is particularly helpful with slides running in parallel, such as the twin X-axis design behind me now. A range of bearings and carriages with load capacities up to 68 kilonewtons means that both heavy payloads and the secondary axes can be easily accommodated. And to take our HDS2 range one step further, we can also provide complete gantry solutions, such as the beautiful example we're with today. By combining all the elements of the HDS2 components, we create multi-axis systems with unlimited X-axis length, multiple Y and X Z axes as you need. We can take your heavy automation challenge and develop a bespoke solution to suit the exact needs of your application, All access connections, cable management, limit switches, support legs and tooling interfaces can be included in the design. But this isn't our limit when it comes to load. Weighing in as the heavyweight champion, we have our MHD range, a product that has been designed with industrial robots and extreme payloads in mind. The roller and flat track design gives a rated capacity of 132 kilonewtons, and by increasing the distance between bearings and tracks, the load capacity can be increased. This is particularly useful when having to counter potentially high e-stop forces that a robot might generate. An integral spur or helical rack provides a simple drive solution, and tracks can be butted to form unlimited lengths. This provides a cost-effective solution for a robot 7th axis and is highly efficient when compared against multiple robots servicing multiple stations. And finally, I have to mention our heavy-duty ring and track system. Our heavy-duty options, of course, aren't just limited to linear movements. Rotary motion is made possible by an extensive range of rings with internal or external V's and available in standard diameters. Special ring diameters can be accommodated up to 1.8 meters, and beyond this we can create segmented ring assemblies with a theoretically limitless diameter. HDRT rings can include integral gears for a simple drive method. The open centre of the rings is particularly useful for many designs with tooling or process operations being packaged within this area. Some of our customers have even used a clever split ring design which allows the system to be mounted around tubes for inspection or welding type applications. Double-edged heavy-duty rings can be fitted with standard carriages and also be supplied as segmented sections for motion covering an arc. And these rings can also be combined with straight slide sections from our HDST range to form a continuous track that are well suited for the transportation of heavy components through a continuous production line. So all of these elements that we've looked at today give you so many options to solve your heavy motion and automation challenges. Be sure to check out our website where we have extensive case studies and videos alongside CAD models and catalogues. Finally, we have our team of expert engineers on hand to help you and recommend the best solution for your application.